Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can remove a background in Affinity. So first, what you must do is, of course, listen to everything that I say and do it on your Affinity. So first, you will have to open your image and duplicate the background layer, then duplicate. So you keep an original. So next, you will have to switch to the selection brush tool and set brush size in the context toolbar. Paint over the subject until it's entirely selected. And after that, you will click Refine on the context toolbar to open the Refine selection dialog. Choose Output to Mask Layer and adjust Smooth, Feather, and Shift Edge to refine hair or edges. Then, with the mask selected, click on the mask thumbnail and use a soft brush to tie the edges. Black hides, white reveals. And finally, you will just have to export the file and then export and then choose PNG and then check area which is transparent and then click export. And that's basically it. And by the way, a quick tip. For here, you will have to use Refine with small brush and the Smart Radius option in Refine. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.